cracking, everybody? Your boy Q Fresh. We're back here again. Last weekend I was here. Now she wanted to come try this place. We have Arturo here. What was your intro?
Huh?
What was your intro?
My intro?
Yeah. Get up.
Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Play Fajitas. My name is Arturo. Always taking care of you.
Se pasa de verga este güey. My homie's treating us like royalty and I love it. Shout out to my homie right there. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. You gotta go follow him. If you're in Las Vegas, hit him up. He's the go-to guy here in Las Vegas. I got the new shirt on today. After this, we're gonna be heading to the takeover, guys. She's gonna be popping a little bit of this at the takeover. New to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. Free 99 right here. Margaritas. We're about to get some beer. Waiting on our fajitas, and then she got enchiladas de salsa verde, right? Suck it like you're sucking my cock. Aw, weak. Vámonos. Así es mi sexo, güey, pura lumbre, güey, mi sexo, güey. Ahí está las... Enchiladas. Muchas gracias, muchas gracias. I'm just gonna bite it right now para que me queme los hocico, ¿no?
Yeah, imagínate.
Ahí está, güey, muchas gracias, güey. Shout out to my boy again. 2 weeks in a row. Hooking it up out here.
Anything else, guys?
No, es todo, compa. Muchas gracias, güey. Hey, wait, I know. Hey, simmer down. Hey, let me see your fucking tits. Pinch your tits. Simmer down. So, you know, we had to get this for the one time. It has cajeta inside, guys. They're little baby churritos, and it has the whip on top. Came with the cherry, but she already ate it, by the way. And these things are just like pussy. Alright, guys, so we just got done eating. There's the strip over there, and we're on our way to the takeover right now. Oh, we're probably gonna be a little late, but hey, it is what it is. We got some dank ass food anyways. Sheesh. Alright guys, so we pull up to the spot here in Las Vegas. It's in the middle of nowhere. We have a lot of people out here though, so it's a good turnout. It's like 15 to 20 minutes away from the strip. It's not bad. There, you got people all the way up there. I have no idea what they're doing up there. Okay, pull it up right now. We got some fireworks going on. Okay. Okay.
Get the fuck up! Hey, bro. Chill out! Where he at? Where he at? Who? Chill out! Who the fuck am I called? Get the fuck off me, Sam! What the fuck? My bad. Insurance. You ain't got insurance?
Hey, chill out, bro. Chill out.
You ain't got insurance?
Bro, I do. Chill out, bro.
What?
Chill out.
Get it.
Chill out.
Get it. Excuse me. Chill out. You ain't got me in chill out. Chill out. You ain't got me in chill. Get off. This ain't the environment.
Chill, bro.
Chill out. Chill out. Get off. Chill out. Don't touch me. You get hit too, bro. You get hit too. Hey. What the? I got. Hey, chill out.
Hey, what's cracking? What's cracking? What's cracking? Doing some donuts right here in the pit. It was a good time, good time. Shout out to the homie all the way from Long Beach. That's right. Hey, there it is. The cops pulling up right now, guys. Uh-oh. Trucks off-roading out here. They're leaving. They're dipping. Okay. Must be nice. Must be nice. Look, the truck's just dipping out of here like nothing. Damn, people are going so slow.
I know, bro. The cop didn't set the way. Let's get the fuck out now.
Right? Okay. He left. Cop left. He's going after some people. These fools right here legit having a disco fucking party inside their car. Roll the fucking electro music now. Se pasan de verga estos hijos de la verga. Oh, yep. Shit now. God damn. Oh, damn. Get out of here. Hey, so much crazy shit has happened today, guys. Like, literally, it's crazy. pulled up right now, guys. It's a wrap here in Las Vegas. It's a wrap in Las Vegas, guys.